Alright, I'm here. I'm at Home Depot. Y'all can see that. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I got me a good deal. I just left Northern, and you know what's weird, guys? These stores are right down the street from each other. I don't know how you gonna stand out. How would you stand out if you right next door to your competitors? And what's even weirder, Home Depot's biggest competitor is Lowe's. You know what's funny? They like a mile down the road. Go figure. Okay, so that is crazy. But I'm gonna go in here and see. Actually, the 1/4, the 1/4 inch air ratchet. That's the one. That's my favorite. I bought that 3. I just got that 3/8 because I needed anything right now. Anything's better than nothing. All right. I cannot even function right with a freaking air ratchet. Ain't that crazy? I got to the point where I don't even feel comfortable operating the air ratchet. Here we go. Power tools over here, guys. Let's go over here and see. All right, we're in the vicinity. Okay, hey, here we go. Golly, 149. Yep, that's my 1/4 inch head right here. I worked this thing to death. Now, where are they? Please stock one. 149. I don't care. This is my baby. Oh Lord, don't tell me. Fuel driven to outperform. That's what I just got. I just got a 3/8, but it wasn't. Oh, they must have came out with a newer one. It ain't even the same part number. So they done got rid of the regular 3/8. Now they trying to sell everybody this? What is going on? Okay, see, guys, that wasn't actually. Yeah, that wasn't a bad idea. The deal I just got at Northern. I got a drill and a battery, or ratchet and a battery for $129. But guys, it don't look like they have. Oh no. What is the point at that point? Oh man. Is this one? No, this ain't it. Cordless rotary tube. I need 1/4 inch air ratchet. What a freaking bummer. Is they hiding them over here? No, that's a drill. I don't see none, guys. I'm in trouble. Not really, because like I said, I'm going to use this. Wonder how much these new and improved. Yeah, I ain't in the market for that. Oh, so they likely $199. The regular 3/8 $149. So their prices is higher than the Northern. All right, guys, they don't have the 1/4 inch ratchet I need, but the guy just told me they have some specials going on in the sales paper, and that there's some old Milwaukee product down on the end. Look at here, guys. If this is $129, this is a 3/8 drive I just bought out of Northern. Okay, look at here, guys. You get the tool. It comes with one battery and a freaking charger and a bag. Guys, that's what I just paid at Northern. Y'all know what? That's going back. And here's the yes, this the one he said this is on sale for $99. Most compact. Okay, I get an impact, another battery, a charger, and a bag. He just told me these on sale for $99. The 99, you can't beat that, guys. So I'm getting this and this. I'm taking that other driver back to Lowe's. So that's why they have a sale on batteries. They see everybody else doing it. But at one, I end up paying $136 total, which is probably what this will come up to be. But I get a charger. I already have a charger, so I'm just really. I don't care. I want this one. Get a charger and a bag. Whoop-de-doo about the bag. Whoop-de-doo, I got a charger. But not so whoop-de-doo about the battery, because I could use an extra battery. Yeah, this looks so much better, guys. I'm getting this. So I will have to pay poor Northern a visit again tomorrow just to return something. Good part about it is I haven't opened it. All right, so I'm getting these two. So I don't even need no extra batteries. I got 2 new batteries, a driver, and impact driver, and some bags. Go figure. So I don't need all that, but it comes with it. That is a wrap. And on top of that, they about to close. I'm glad I ran into that guy. Look, they got Milwaukee. There's some more Milwaukee over there. They didn't have the 3/8, guys. I'm still a little bit upset about that, but I can get that online somewhere. eBay, somebody brand new, probably $80. No need for a battery because I just got 2. I got 2 at the shop already. So I will recover from my lost 2 bag, guys. You best believe that. All right. So I'm going to the cashier right now, so I don't want to be holding a camera and doing this at the same time. All right, guys. So, all right, this self. Okay, let's see if I can build a transmission, but I can't self checkout. Go figure, guys. This stuff takes some highly skills. Where's the dang I guess that's it. See, told you. I can build a transmission, but I can't. Lane open. Start scanning. I thought I did. Here we go again.
Invalid scan. Please rescan your last item. Customer needs assistance in self-checkout.
I need assistance. How much?
2-year protection plan.
How much?
$18.
What is? No, that's just a. Yeah, I'm good on that. So in 2 years, if it break, we talking about the ratchet? We talking about the whole thing, the charger and all? Well, you're not sure.
I'm not sure.
It's got to be for the tool itself. For the actual ratchet. I mean, I need to know this stuff because if the charger could go bad too. I'm about to spend $20 for a 2-year warranty. Yeah, all right, I'm just gonna do it on that one, not the drill, cause that ratchet is gonna get the most work, guys. So $20, and plus look at all the money I saved. So, all right, guys, I think I came out on top. I mean, I'm out of $300 almost because of a stupid thief. Go figure. I kind of wanted some new tools.
Please remove your card.
Take a picture of a receipt.
This number, and then if you ever need to access it, you can go to that website.
I gotta do that now, or I can do it at home?
You should take a picture of the receipt now.
Oh, where's
Not
that?
like right now, but when you get in your vehicle.
Oh, okay, you talking about
Yeah.
Jay, right?
JT? Oh, they I must use the car here before. Yes,
So she said go ahead and take a picture, and you should.
I am.
I prefer you to go to homedepot.com/protect because that's the only place you're gonna go, so you can go ahead and what's it called? Like if you need to file the claim, that's where you're gonna file a claim.
Oh, not here?
The 2 years is with homedepot.com.
Okay.
You want an extra receipt or one?
Yes, so guys, Home Depot outperformed Northern on this one. Sorry, Northern. But I'll see you tomorrow. That's not funny. That is still not funny. Where's my car? Surely nobody gonna steal an old beat up Pacifica. All right, folks. Yes, that is a wrap. Now, that is really all I have, guys. I'm going home. It's raining. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Y'all see this? Y'all remember the video I did on this? This been at Walmart for like a year and a half. Damn, forgot to lock it. And my scan tool sitting in the front seat. God, I gotta stop being so reckless. And it's junky. All right, guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.